So now we are going to start our maths class. So first of all, yes, mention your date. And subject maths chapter 1, numbers up to 200. Okay, and after writing this you are supposed to write down the topic, which is expanded form. So what exactly expanded form is? It is when you are writing a digit in an expansion form. Like if I am writing 74, which is tens and ones. Okay, just write down tens and ones. So it means 7 tens plus 4 ones. So this is the expanded form of 74. Okay, so I am giving you some digits here and you all are supposed to write down this expansion form of your digits. Okay, so let's start the work. So this is just for example, you are not supposed to write down this one. Just write down this one, which I am going to start here now. The first one is 174. So yes, again for your better understanding, please mark H, T and O on the top of your digits. So it means we have 1 at hundreds place, we have 7 at tens place, we have 4 at ones place. So in the expanded form, how you are going to write it 100, because we have 1 at 100 place, so 100 plus 7 tens plus 4 ones. So this is the expanded form of this given digit. Hope you are all are understand this concept. Now moving to the next part of this expanded form, which is 108, sorry. So H again, T 0 and 8 ones place. So 100, and yes, we have 0 at tens place, so we will write 0 tens and 8 ones. Okay, now the third part is 199. So 100 की place पे which digit is here? 1. 9 at tens place, 9 again at ones place. So now what we will write, 100. So which digit is at tens place? 9. So we are going to write 9 tens. And yes, 9 also at ones place. So 9 ones. Okay. Then fourth part is 184. Now 1 at hundreds place. So 100. 8 tens plus 4 ones. Okay. Then fifth is 152. So yes, 1 at hundreds place, 5 at tens place, 2 at ones place. So we will write it in the expansion form, which is 100 5 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so this is the first question. You you are supposed to do in your notebook only the first question, question 1, expanded form. ठीक है? और yes, please do one question on one page because it is very messy when you are sending me the work which have 2 or 3 question on the same page. So please do one question on one page and use a fresh page for a next question. Like question 2, we will do write the numbers. So you are supposed to do that question on the next fresh page. Okay, you are not supposed to write down these details, date and everything. Just write down question number 2 on the fresh page. Okay, so let's start the question number 2. Children, like I am using a fresh side of the board, you are also supposed to write down from a fresh page in your notebook question number 2. So the question number 2 is write the numbers. So this is the heading of your question, write the numbers. So I will give you here the expanded form and you are going to write it in the digit form. So for example, 100 plus 0 tens plus 2 ones. Okay? Now what you are supposed to write down, you just write the digit. So how you are going to write it? First of all, please write down H T O. So that will help you. Okay. So now at 100 place, which digit is here? 1. So we will write 1 here. Okay. Now tens, at tens place, कौन सी digit है हमारे पास? 0. So we will write 0 here. Okay. At tens place. Now at ones place we have 2 ones. So we will write 2. So we will get the digit here. 102. So 102. So this is the digit we get from this expansion form. Okay. Now the second one is 100 plus 9 tens plus 9 ones is equals to, yes, again at 100 we have 1, at tens we have 9, at ones we have again 9. So 199 is the answer. Now the third one is 100 plus 8 tens plus 0 ones. Okay. So now, yes, at 100 we have 1, at tens we have 8, and at ones we have 0. So the digit is 180, 180. Now the fourth part is 100 5 tens plus 9 ones. Okay. So 1 at hundreds place, 5 at tens place, and 9 at ones place. Okay. So here comes the digit 159. Now the last part is 100 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. So at 100 we have 1, at tens we have 7, at ones we have 5. So we get the digit 175, 175. So hope you understand this question. So now, so class, please do these two questions in your notebook. I will send you the reference photograph in the group, so please refer them while working. And please do your work neatly, and one question on one page. Again, I am repeating, you are supposed to do one question at one page. Okay, so do it neatly. Okay class, thank you.